Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Chitra Gopinath. Welcome to the Grammar Post channel. Today's topic is about demonstrative pronouns. This is a very simple topic that can be learned effortlessly. So let's get started with the topic. What are demonstrative pronouns? Pronouns that point out to a specific person, place, animal or thing are called as demonstrative pronouns. For example, the words this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. This and that refer to singular nouns and these and those refer to plural nouns. Suppose these words are immediately followed by nouns, then they act as demonstrative adjectives by describing the nouns. For example, this dog looks cute. These flowers are beautiful. That house is mine. And those children are hungry. Let's see some common examples in the usage of this and these in different ways. Number one, they refer to things or persons which are close to us or nearby. For example, I like this delicious cake. I like these delicious cakes, etc. Number two, they refer to things that happen at the moment. For example, this house is being built by Kamal. These houses are being built by Kamal, and so on. Number three, they sometimes are used to introduce people. For example, this is Mr. Sharma, who is a social activist. These are my colleagues whom I work with, and so on. Now, let's see the usage of the words that and those. They are used in three different ways. Number one, they refer to things or persons which are distant or far away from us. For example, I want that book. I want those books, etc. And number two, they refer to things that have already finished. For example, that shirt was bought recently. Those shirts were bought recently, and so on. Number three, they denote objects with two similar components like spectacles, trousers, jeans, shoes, etc. For example, that pair of spectacles suits you well. I like that pair of jeans, or I like that pair of trousers, etc. In these sentences, the word that denotes a single pair of the object. Suppose we don't use the word pair in these sentences, they can be written as those spectacles suit you well. I like those jeans, or I like those trousers, etc. Here, the word those indicates the plural form of the nouns, and hence the word pair is not necessary. People usually commit mistakes, particularly in this usage. For example, they say give me the scissors instead of give me that pair of scissors, or my father bought me new shoes yesterday instead of my father bought me a pair of new shoes yesterday. Now you must have understood what are demonstrative pronouns. Keep practicing till we see what are distributive pronouns in the next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe this channel. Post your doubts if any in the comment section. Thank you.